So here we have the Pediatric Emergency Treatment Calculator DSS. So what the user can do is start by putting their known weight, if known, and when you press enter, you can select the treatment sheet. Normally this isn't shown very clearly because if you do 50 and if you just go to the next date of birth, blah blah blah, it doesn't work till you press enter straight from the weight category, and that's when the treatment sheet is selected, and this took me a little while to understand. Also, there is the clear all button, which doesn't have the user confirmation before it clears all the data, which could be a usability issue, as it can be pressed by accident. Another thing is the about button. I thought the about button was about the weight, but actually it's about the information and data related to the tool, which I wouldn't have otherwise realized. And here you can see the different types of information that has been given. So here you can go back to calculator. So once you press the field, it clears it. So that was another usability issue that I found confusing. Anyway, so here we go, 50, and my selected one is asthma. Here we'll see life-threatening asthma, which is intended for use for asthma people over the age of 2. So this is the entered weight. You can see these fields were not inputted by the user, therefore it's not being put into the rule-based formulation. Here we have the medications, depending what volume and amount and maximum dose you're allowed to have. So here we can go back to the calculator. Here you can calculate the estimated medium weight for things, so you can just put in a date. However, it doesn't allow you to go past the age of 15, which is another big usability issue, especially as there are many adults that would need to use this calculator who are most probably adults. So here you can select the male or female. You can get your BMI if needed. And you'd need to enter the weight for that as well. So here you go, get the BMI. And this was entered in, so you can have either lean or estimated for that. I guess that's another usability issue. And these are the treatment algorithms which the user can select. Yeah.